Alright YouTube, this is the new 2018 XP Turbo. Picked it up a few weeks ago. And this is the first time out. We're over at right outside Hemingway Butte, just right down the road. And we're gonna go break in the belt and see what she can do. Just threw it in low because we're going so slow, and put it in full-wheel drive. I have no idea where these roads go. I am very unfamiliar down here, so. And truth be told, I friggin' had a little bit of an accident last time, so just take her nice and easy. One good thing, I haven't heard really any squeaks, anything rustling. The one noise I have heard is I have my wallet in there and my phone. They're kind of banging around, but that's kind of to be expected. The suspension on this thing is so much better. I haven't even touched the shocks. I think they're right in the middle. They're not soft or hard, so probably play around with them a little bit, and but as is, I mean, I'm not going really fast at all, but it's so much smoother than my S1000. As far as power, I mean, I think the highest we've gone is like 35, so I haven't really punched on it yet. I'm gonna let this belt heat up a little bit. Probably let it cool off here in 4 or 5 more minutes. Probably once we get up here. As far as temperature, it's supposed to be like low 60s, high 50s today. And tried to get a couple buddies to go, and my brother, he didn't want to go. It's too cold. Honestly, I just got a sweatshirt on. I haven't felt cold at all, especially with a helmet on, the goggles. And I think we're gonna let her cool down right here. Alright folks, this is McCurdy Outdoors. This is my new 2018 XPT. It's little bit more expensive than my old S1000. I ended up selling that last, I believe it was August, September time, right when I kind of found out that the turbos had come down so much in price. So kind of worked some overtime and worked all winter and picked this turbo up over at Edge Power Sports about 3 weeks ago. This is the first time I've taken it out. We're outside Murphy, and so far she's kind of living up to the hype. I'm just letting it cool down, doing the little heat treat on the belt, get that broken in, and go from there. So far what I've done is I added the Axiom roof. I picked that up online. The DoubleOTT windshield, half windshield that is. The Seizmik Mirrors. I put 30-inch Tusk Terrabites on a 14-inch 401 method wheel. I'm hoping that pans out. I do a lot of road driving on asphalt, and these are 8-ply, so they should hold up better than Bighorns. Other than that, well, that's not working out. Have to do some work there. I've got fire extinguisher from Tusk and a little bag in the front. And that's about all I've done. Put factory half doors on it. And she's ready to rip. I'm not bottomed out, but I don't think I want to push it any further today. This is showing signs of life. It actually went to asphalt. I don't remember it going to asphalt. I think had I made that left, that's Wilson Creek. Because we've taken that trail and it goes up over this mountain. Whoa. And there's a couple more spots over there that you can offload and whatnot.